Oh, Mama, that has to hurt her. Okay, I guess Mama wants him back in the box. I tried to get her out of this box. What about your other babies? Do you have a favorite? You're a good mama, saving your babies, even though I'm only taking pictures of them. Oh, your one baby's gonna fall. Oh, 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 they're trying to get the mama. Trying to get the mama. You're such a good mama. I just want to take their pictures, Mama. I'm not gonna hurt them. How come you like that box so much? Huh? How come you like that box so much, Mama? What about your other babies? What about your other babies? They're crying. Come on, you gotta help them. They want to come back in the box too. Mama, what about your other baby? Oh, oh, Mama, 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 Mama. Mama, you gotta get your other babies. You're such a good mama. Okay, you got one more. You got one more. Hey, sillies. You got one more in there, Mama. The lonesome. Okay, next time I guess we'll get other pictures next time. For some reason you love that box. Good babies, good mama. You're the best mama I've ever seen. You're the best mama I've ever seen. Good mama. They're all safe. Say bye-bye, baby. Say bye-bye, babies. Elizabeth, you're a very good mama. I think it's feeding time. What do you think? They're licking their lips. Okay, Mom, I'll leave you alone.